everyone, today we are going to be doing some special demolition. I have 3 towers right there, and yeah, you can see, and each one of them has a flag stick, so we're going to be trying to knock that down. We have a marble, and I designed a little contraption. We're going to try to use this too. Try to successfully make the marble run through all. So let's start with it. And that's good. Next up we have a little, you can call it a gun-ish thing. It's more of like a cannon. But we're going to be shooting marbles out of it at the towers. Boom. Thank you. Okay, flag stick has been knocked down. This. Boom! Okay. I designed that one to be a bit tanky, so should be cool. Phew. You. Okay guys, that is going to be it for today. This is kind of a short episode. It's only gonna be 4 minutes. But anyway, let me show you the dog. Hello. Hi. He's scared of all technology except our TV. Come on, come on, come on. Hi. 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 These are the people of the internet. Want to say hi? No? Okay. So anyway, that is going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.